Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, your go-to channel for simple, practical tech tips. In today's quick video, I am going to show you how to view recent activity on your Android phone, so you can see what has been happening on your device and keep things under control. Whether you want to check what apps were used, monitor your device activity for privacy reasons, or simply get a clearer picture of your usage history, this quick guide will walk you through step by step. Here's what we'll cover. Step 1. Open your Google account activity page. Step 2. Navigate to My Activity and view your list. Step 3. Filter and manage your activity. Let us dive right in. Step 1. Open your Google account activity page. Unlock your Android phone and open your Settings app. Look for the gear icon. Scroll down and tap your Google account name or Google account to access your account details. Then go to Data and Privacy, and under History Settings, select My Activity. This is where your recent activity across Google services is listed. Step 2. View My Activity and Recent Entries. In the Activity page, you'll see a chronological list of your activities, like searches, websites visited, videos watched, apps used, etc. Tap on any entry to view details such as date, time, and device use. This gives you a clear view of what happened and when. Step 3. Filter and manage your activity. If you're looking for something specific, say activity from a particular app or day, tap the Filter by Date and Product option at the top. Then select the time period and services you are interested in. To remove an item, tap the three dots menu next to it and choose Delete. You can also set up auto-delete rules under Activity Controls if you want certain types of activity to get removed automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to view and manage your recent activity on your Android phone. If this video helped you get a clearer view of what's been going on with your device, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tutorials. And hey, this video by Wireless Solutions is made for educational and informational purposes only. All steps and settings shown are safe and publicly available features on Android and its apps. Results may vary depending on your device model and software version. Always proceed carefully and make changes at your own discretion. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.